4 दिन से चले आ रहे लैक्मे फैशन वीक का हुआ ग्रैंड फिनाले। डे 5 पर लगा बॉलीवुड के स्टार्स का मेला और यहाँ जिसने कैच किया सबका अटेंशन वो थी करीना कपूर। यूं तो इस फैशन वीक के इनिशियल डेज पर करीना आ नहीं पाई थी बिकॉज शी वाज शूटिंग फॉर पुनीत मल्होत्रा's गोरी तेरे प्यार में, बट ग्रैंड फिनाले पर करीना ने किया एक सिजलिंग वॉक। करीना ने ये शेयर किया कौन से हैं इनके फेवरेट कलर्स एंड सैफ इन्हें किस रंग में देखना पसंद करते हैं।
I personally like coral and red and blue, and also I think summer's coming up. So everyone wants to not feel the heat. Everyone just wants to feel happy, and neon colors make us feel happy, especially all the younger. सैफ मुझे हर रंग में देखता है. He has no choice now.
करीना के अलावा फैशन वीक के आखिरी दिन बिपाशा also walked the ramp. बिपाशा के अलावा कोरियोग्राफर एंड डायरेक्टर प्रभु देवा भी रैंप पर एक्साइटेड नजर आए।
Well, he's a busy man, but he still takes out time to do quirky things like walking the ramp. Well, you were great.
Is it?
I think you were. How would you rate yourself as a ramp walker?
No, I don't know because it's for me daily Bombay is new for me. Daily something is happening, so it's daily new for me. So, but we have to tell. I don't know.
You're decent.
Yeah, done. Thank you. Thank you.
वहीं ब्यूटीफुल शाहजान also walked the ramp, लेकिन इनके साथ हुआ एक oops moment.
It's definitely glamorous, but I think it's more quirky and it's cool and it's fun and it's got all those young elements. And Archana's done this really cool line, Mumbai Checkmate. It's got a lot of checks, it's got a lot of buses, it's got a lot of Mumbai like desi kind of feel in it. So it's more of a fun look, I think.
ग्लैमर और कपड़ों के बीच लैक्मे फैशन वीक में सेव द टाइगर को लेकर भी एक मैसेज दिया गया जिसे सपोर्ट किया नेहा धूपिया ने।
I just think that it's just really simple, a little contribution from our sides in whatever way we can, whether it's an initiative, whether it's a costume, whether it's a ramp walk, or whether it's just spreading the awareness or printing something about saving the tiger. We all should do our bit. I did mine today and I continue to be a part of it. Thank you.
Well, last but not the least, यहाँ हमें दिखी Pond's Femina Miss India की winners भी, who were spotted doing their makeup and nails. इस बीच, these stunning girls shared some fashion tips also. Let's hear it out.
I love bright colors. मैं हमेशा जब भी बाहर जाती हूँ, there's some bright color in my attire. So everybody, all my other contestants used to tease me, you know, whenever Zoya comes, she comes with a bling or something, you know, very bright. So I love the new collection. They've got really nice colors like bright pink, orange. My favorite is orange. I'm going to use this pink color. Pink has always been my favorite. It's the Barbie color. So I like this and I'm going to mix it with black. So it's going to look hot.
I usually love warm tones because I think I have a very typical Indian yellow undertone. So I love warm shades. When I want a little bit of fun on my face, I go for neons, like pop tints, which is really exciting because it's one thing I've always been looking forward to. I hope some brand launches this and now finally my favorite brand launches it. So I'm super happy.
तो कुछ इस तरह रहा लैक्मे फैशन वीक का ग्रैंड फिनाले। For Salma Khan and Rudrani Chaturaj, Zoom, Mumbai.